Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to test fuel pressure. Before starting, gather your essential tools. You will need a reliable fuel pressure gauge kit, which typically comes with several adapters to fit various fuel systems. Also, keep plenty of clean rags and a fire extinguisher nearby, as fuel is highly flammable. Having your vehicle's owner's manual on hand is also very helpful for specific details. Safety is paramount when working with fuel systems. Always perform this test in a well-ventilated area, ensuring no open flames or sparks are present. To safely depressurize the system, first locate your vehicle's fuel pump fuse or relay, usually found in the fuse box. Remove it, then start the engine and allow it to run until it completely stalls, consuming any remaining fuel in the lines. Now let's connect the gauge. Locate the fuel pressure test port, which is usually a small Schrader valve on the fuel rail, often resembling a bicycle tire valve. Consult your owner's manual if you cannot find it. Attach the appropriate fitting from your gauge kit to this port, ensuring a tight, leak-free connection. Once the gauge is securely in place, you can reinstall the fuel pump fuse or relay. With the gauge connected, turn your ignition to the on position to prime the fuel pump and get an initial reading. Then, start the engine and observe the pressure at idle and during light acceleration. For most gasoline engines, a normal range is typically between 30 and 60 psi, but always refer to your vehicle's specific service manual for precise figures. Low or high pressure can indicate various fuel system issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.